Started. Mute the microphone. Write the face value of the underlined digit. Now first question is 60952. A. 60952. And the digit underlined is 60952. Those who are joining late, please be on the time. The underlined digit is 9. So face value of any digit is the digit itself, correct? Place value is different, but the face value of any digit is the same digit. So answer will be 9. You will write 9 and then circle it, 9. Face value of the digit is 9. Face value of the digit remains same. 9 face value digit will be 9 only. Then 238147. 238147. We have to write down the face value of the digit 1. So the face value of the digit remains same. 1 will remain 1 only. 1 will remain 1 only. Face value of the digit 1 will be 1. If I will ask you what is the place value of 1? Yes, 100. What is the place value of 9? 900. Yes, that means no, my dear, not 90. 9 is at 100 position, my dear. 1 is at 100 position. Last number, it is 238146. 60952. Underlined digit is 9. So face value of the digit remains same. 9 will remain 9. But the place value of digit 9 is at 100 place. So it will be 900. We are asking face value. So face value of the digit remains same. Mute the microphone now. See. Mute the microphone. 900 5081. 900 5081. Underlined digit is 5. Underlined digit is 5. So the face value of the digit remains same. 5 will remain 5 only. Because it is asked find the face value. Face value of the digit is the digit itself. Then D, mute the microphone, my dear. 3876. Yes. Yes, you can join, no problem. Join. Mute the microphone. The underlined digit is 3. So the face value of the digit remains same, so 3 will remain 3 only. The face value of the digit is the digit itself, face value. Face value is also known as mirror value. When you see your mirror, your image in the mirror, the image remains same. So face value same as mirror value. So face value of the digit remains the same. Then 7. Yes, 3 place value will be 3 crore. Very good. Now 7th. Encircle the digit in 10 place. Encircle. Encircle means you have to make a round. Encircle the digit. Encircle the digit in tens place. Encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digit in 10,000 place. And underline the digit in 10,000 place. In 10,000 place. In 10,000 place. You have to encircle. 2 things you have to do. You have to encircle the digit in tens place and you have to underline the digit in 10,000 place. You have to encircle the digit in tens place. I am repeating the question. Encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digit in 10,000 place. Underline the digit in 10,000 place. So two things, you have to make a circle around 10. Now first it is 1046 A. 1046. What you have to do? You have to encircle the digit in tens place. So this is ones, this is tens. Tens place you have to encircle. So I will encircle this 4. Encircle means you have to make a round. And underline the digit in 10,000 place. Yes, 10,000 place is not there, so we leave it blank. No problem. We leave it blank because there is no 10,000 place. Then next it is 92463. 92463. You have to encircle the digit in tens place. Encircle. Ones, tens. So you have to make. Now 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So this is my 10,000. So this I will underline. 9 I will underline. 9 I will underline and 6 I will make a circle. First question is 1046. In this number you have to encircle the tens place and underline 10,000 place. In 1046 there is no 10,000 place, so we leave it blank. Only encircle will be. Not 1,000. 10,000 place. 10,000 place you have to underline and you have to make a circle around tens place. 92463. Tens place is 6, we have make a circle. Then 10,000 place is 9, we have underlined. Then next it is 3120. 3120. 3120 4596. 4596. You have to. Let us see. Once. Then this is my tens. So tens you have to encircle. Then 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is my 10,000. 10,000 you have to underline. So you have to underline 0. Yes, very good. 10,000 place it is 0. Then D 100,481. 100,481. 100,481. 100,481. You have to encircle the tens place. No, wait. This is 8 is ones, tens. So tens you have to encircle. Then 100, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000 you have to underline. So this is 10. This you will underline. You will not underline this 0. This you have to underline. The digit at 10,000 place. Here? Yes. Now let us see. Let us see the 8th one. 8th question. There? No, my dear. My dear, I am there to give the reply. No. If he is asking me or she is asking me, let me respond. The screen is clear. You see your internet connection. Because from my end, every time I keep on checking. So whenever you say anything, again I check it. So just now I have checked and confirmed that there is no problem in the screen. You check your connection. Now next is, how many numbers are there in all having 3 digits? How many numbers? How many numbers are there how many numbers are there in all? Yes, H capital. Yes, because it start with first alphabet. How many numbers are there? The first alphabet should be in capital. There in all. How many numbers are there in all? Having first question. How many numbers are there in all having first 3 digits? Yes. Yes. How many 3 digit numbers are there in all? How many numbers are there in all having 3 digits? So 3 digit, how many numbers are there? 3 digit, my dear. How many numbers are there in all having? So answer is 900. So write down answer. Answer is 900. Then B, you don't. My dear, see 3 digits, how many numbers are there, that you have to count. Let me explain. 3 digit number, see how it is 900. See this part. Let me explain this if you want. 3 digit number, you have to pay attention. 3 digit number start from 100. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. Yes. Then largest is 999. Correct. Largest is 999. So in between how many numbers are there? How we find? From 999 you subtract 100. You subtract 100. 9, 899. So this is the difference. In between numbers are there. Then you will add 1. Whatever is the difference, you will add 1. 8 add 1, you will get 900. So 3 digit smallest number is 100, largest number is 999. In between how many numbers are there? You will take the difference of largest and smallest, and to that difference you will add 1. You will get 3 digit number. So answer is 900. Same thing. Same, my dear, yes. Write down everything you have to write. Yes, everything you have to write, my dear, because that should be shown in the calculation. Explanation. Yes, everything should be written, my dear, because you should come to know how we have calculated. For 3 digit number, 100 is my smallest number. This is my smallest, and this is my largest. So you have to take the difference of largest and smallest, that is 899. To that 899 difference you add 1, you will get 900. So answer is 900. Next is 4 digit. Same technique you will apply. B, 4 digit. So you have to start with the smallest number, 4 digit. What is the smallest 4 digit number? 1000. And what is the largest 4 digit number? 9999. Correct? So this is my smallest. This is my smallest, and this is my largest. This is my smallest number, and this is my largest number. You take their difference and add 1. So 9999 minus 1000, that is 8 minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. To this difference you add 1. To this difference you add 1. To this difference you add 1. You add 1 to this difference. So plus 1. That is 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9000 is the answer, correct? So same method we have followed. Answer is 9000, 4-digit numbers. Yes, my dear. Yes. Yes, in all that, same technique. You have to write down large. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Wait, my dear, mute the microphone. Let me ask, let me reply. See, you don't have to list all the number, because when you will start listing from 100 to 999, it will take a long time. So, in shortcut, how we calculate? We write smallest number, we write largest number, we take their difference, and to that difference we add 1, we get total numbers, total 3-digit number. Same thing for 4-digit. Yes. 4 digits. Yes. Formula. 4-digit, I am repeating the formula. 4-digit smallest number is 1000. You know the smallest number. You know the largest number, 9999. 4-digit. So you take the difference of largest and smallest. From largest we subtract smallest number. We get their difference 89999. To this difference we add 1, we get 9000. So total there are 4-digit, 9000 numbers are there, 4-digit. Yes, formula for each. Everything you have to show. You have to show the calculation, my dear. My dear, see, directly we cannot write, because we are not the magician. Even without solving, I cannot also say. Mute the microphone. Now C is 5-digit. C is 5-digit. So this I am giving homework. 5-digit I am giving homework. Okay. My dear, mute the microphone. Parents, please mute the microphone, because lot of disturbance are there. So C, 5-digit smallest number, my dear. Smallest number will be 10,000. 10,000 smallest number. Largest number will be 99,999. Then you do further part. That's all. Now 9th question. Find the difference between the place value of 2 threes. 9th question. Find the difference between. My dear, mute the microphone. Find the difference between. Find the difference between place values of. Mute the microphone. Find the difference between place values of 2 threes. Place value of 2 threes. Find the difference between the place value of. What is the name? Yes, anybody knows the name? Yes, Mahendra Devan. Next time I will definitely not admit. Let parent come to talk to me, because they are not taking the precaution. So definitely I have to find the place value of 2 threes in number. Which class? Yes, which class? 6th. Okay. Today I will talk with the class teacher. 25373. 25373. 25373. You have to find the difference. Difference means minus. Between the place value of 2 threes. This 3 and this 3. You have to find the place value and subtract. 7th question is over. You can see the video now. You see the video afterwards. This 3 and this 3, you have to find the difference between the place values. So this 3 is at 1's place and this 3 is at 100 place. So write down, place value, write down this, place value of 3, place value of digit 3 at 100 place, place value of digit 3 at 100 place. Because from my end, place value of 3, place value of digit 3 at 100 place. What is the place value at this? Tell me, place value. 300 is 300. Then find the difference between place values of two threes in this number. Then there is one more 3 at ones place. So place value of digit 3 at ones place. Place value of digit 3. Place value of digit 3. Digit 3 at ones place. At ones place. Yes, what will be the place value of this 3? Tell me. This 3, what will be the place value? 3. It will remain 3 only. So now you have to find their difference. 3 is in the number 25373. The number 25373. Now we have to see, you are given the number 25373. Yes. This is on page number 10. This 3 place value is 300. This 3 place value is 3. So now we have to find their difference. So difference will be, difference means minus. Difference will be 300 minus 3. 300 minus 3 is 297. So 297 is their difference. Place value of digit 3. Place value of digit 3 at 100 place. So this 3 which is at 100 place, its place value will be 300. Then, no, it is clear. Yes. Yes, I am reading the question. All of you mute the microphone. Find the difference. Find the difference between place value of two threes. Find the difference between place values. Place values of two threes in number 25373. In this number, you have to find the difference of place value of 3. So this 3 which is at 100 place, so place value of digit 3 at 100 place is 300. Place value of digit 3 at ones place is 3. So now we have to find the difference. Difference will be 300 minus 3, that is 297. Okay? That will answer is no, my dear. Find the difference, again I am repeating, chalo. Find the difference between place values of two threes in this number. There are 2 3, this 3 and this 3. You have to find the difference of, difference means minus, of place value of this 3 and this 3. What is the place value of this 3 which is at 100 place? 300. What is the place value of this 3 at ones place? 3. So you have to find the difference. 300 minus 3, that is 297. That's all. Then 10th question, find the product. Unmute the microphone. Find the product. Find the product of the place value. Find the product of the place value. Find the product of the place value. Place value and the face value of the digit 8. And the face value. Find the product. Product means multiplication. Find the product of the place value and the face value of digit 8 in number in number 38756. 38756. This digit you have to find the place value, you have to find the phase value, and then we have to take the product. Product means multiplication. So, yes. My dear, you can see the video. You can see the video. Video I am sending. No. Video I am sending. You can see the video afterwards. This 8, you have to find the product. Product means multiplication of which place value and phase value. So now we find place value of, write on solution, place value of digit 8, place value of digit 8. What is the place value of digit 8? Tell me. Place value. 8 is at which position? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So its place value is 8000. Place value is 8000. Then phase value of digit 8. Phase value of every digit is the digit itself, 8 only. So phase value of digit 8 will be 8 only. Now we want to find the product. So now we want to find place value. Place value, product means multiplication. Place value into phase value. Product means multiplication. So 8000 into 8. Now we want to calculate. You can multiply 3 zeros as it is. Then 8 8s are 64. So 64,000. This is the answer. So product is 64,000. Product is 64,000. This is the answer. Product is 64,000. This is the answer. So the product of place value and phase value of digit 8 is 64,000. Is it clear? Then 11th question. 11th question. Then 1.2 we are doing. 1.2 we are doing 11th one now. 11th one. 11th question. Write all possible 3-digit number. Write all possible 3-digit number. Write all possible 3-digit number. Write all possible 3-digit number using the digit 502. Using the digits 502. 502. There are 3 digits. 502. Using each digit only once. Using each digit only once. Using each digit only once. Only once you have to use it. We will see. My dear, we will see, no problem. See. Let us solve this, no problem. Write all the possible 3-digit number using the digit 5, 0 and 2. 502. There are 3 digits. We have to use this digit and form 3-digit number. We have to use this digit and form 3-digit number. Is it clear? Hello? Yes. Now see. Now let me list all the numbers. Now my question is, do not write whether 025 is a 3-digit number. Tell me. No. Because because if it start with 0, no, my, you can write, no problem, but you cancel this. 0 to 5 is not possible, 0, 5, 2 is also not possible, because start with 0, so these two we exclude. Now apart from that, cancel one, so this is first number is 502, second number is 520, then next is, I am writing 25, then 205. Apart from this, any other number? No. The number should not start with 0. In this, it starts with 0. So this 0, 25 same as 25, my dear. So this is not a 3-digit number. If you start with 0, then 0 to 5, so only these 4 numbers are there. See, 0 to 5 is same as 25, and this is not a 3-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. 052 is same as 52. This is also 2-digit number. So these are not possible in this. Write on this, no problem. In examination, you write only this much. Don't show this part, because they are 2-digit number, and we want to write 3-digit number. Is it clear? We want to write 3-digit number. So if the no, write it, no problem. Wherever it is there, it is there. My dear, I am writing the question. No, you write the question. No, forget about textbook. You pay attention here. I am writing question also. No, write all possible 3-digit number. Write all possible. 12th one, I am writing question, so you focus here on the board. Write all possible 3-digit number. Write all possible 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers using the digit 793. Using the digit 793, 7, 9 and 3 only once. Using each digit only once. Using each digit only once. Only once. The digit should not be repeated. Only once you have to write on this. Only once you have to use the digit. Now the digits are 793. You have to form 3-digit number, but the digit should not be repeated. For example, 779. 7 is repeated. That is not allowed. So list all the number. Yes. Yes. Let us start with 7. Let us start 793. Let us see. 1 minute, my dear. See here. First it is 793. Okay. Then you interchange. You write 739. Then start with 973. Then 937. Then 379 and 397. 6 numbers. 6 numbers are there. Total there are 6 numbers. Yes, no problem. So now you take one homework. This you have to solve. homework problem, which is not there in the textbook. Find the product of notebook. Find the product of the place value, not in the textbook. Place value and face value of digit 5 in the number 7, 8, 5, 3, 6. You have to find the product of the place value and the face value of digit 5. You have to find the product of place value and face value of the digit 5. So can you tell me the answer orally? Tell me the answer orally in 1 minute. $2,500, not 25,000, my dear. 78536. So find the product of place value and face value of digit 5 in this number. Do it.